Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I will show you guys how I make sticker at home.
Firstly, you gotta start with an illustration. So, here is the process I did for the illustration. Enjoy!
This is the paper that I use. Wow! I use matte type of sticker paper. They also have glossy and transparent one. If you want to see me doing another one with glossy and transparent type, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe. My first attempt to print the sticker is a fail. What a waste of my expensive paper. But I have printed again and the problem is solved. All I have for you guys today. Don't forget to drop a like and click the button subscribe. See you guys in the next video. Bye!